Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Olivier and Alima. One of my subscribers asked me this question and I'm gonna read it. Thanks for this insightful tutorial. How do you upload so much? I realized you uploaded over 9,000 music designs over the past 5 months. Are you doing this alone or are you outsourcing it? I have slots that I have been struggling to fill up for a long time. So this is what we're gonna discuss today. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver, and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. So how I'm doing it is by using scalable design. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find niches for free, how to find codes, how to create scalable design using Adobe Illustrator, how to create the listing, and how to upload them on autopilot. If this is something you are interested in, please like and subscribe and activate the notification bell for any further video. And also, if you have questions, please do not hesitate to write them in the comment below. Let's get right into it. The website we're gonna use to find our niches, POD Creative Studio or POD CS. It's a free tool that is available to us. So I definitely encourage you to use it while it is free. You can use the link below to access it and work on it. We don't know when it's gonna be paid, so I highly encourage you to use it while it's free. When you are on this website, you go to the Amazon by Mesh by Amazon tool here, and you go to product research. On the keyword, we're gonna leave it like that: marketplace, United States, product tag, t-shirt, sorting by BSR, but you can also sort by review, price, US, and so on. But we leave by BSR, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on search. There are a lot of design here that appear, so I want to exclude USA because I don't want to have 4th of July item in there. A few of them are gonna remaining, but that's enough to be able to find niches that we want to work on. What I'm looking here is hobbies, profession, etc., that are really bestseller on Amazon. We can see old people here. I can see here retired 2022. I worked my whole life for this t-shirt. So again, really good BSR. And the niche here is retired. I can see another retired t-shirt here. Grandpa, certainly retired. I can see fishing here, gaming, and another retired here. So what I noticed is that I have a lot of retired design that are really good sellers with a low BSR. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select the niche here for this video, retired, and I'm gonna create scalable design. What I noticed on these free retired design is that they are really broad. So what I'm gonna do is to add professions. Okay, so gonna be, for example, retired accountant 2022 or whatever quote I'm gonna choose. So I'm gonna add profession to the design that I'm gonna create in order to stand out. Will no more be only I have a list here of profession that I was able to gather through the years. So I'm gonna use this list to create my scalable design. And by the way, I have a list here of more than 4,000 niches as well as scalable phrases that I was able to gather through the years. So if you are interested in, I'm gonna leave a link below where you can access it. Unfortunately, it's not free. I took my time to gather all this list. So if you are interested, you will have to pay a small fee. But you will find it if you click on the link below. Thank you in advance. So in Illustrator, I was able to create this simple design. Okay, you can see, for example, here retired clergyman under new management CY4010. Okay, I added, compared to the design that we saw on our research tool, it was simply retired on the new management CY4010. So now I just add here the profession. Okay, so in order to put it scalable, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select this line here. I'm gonna go to File, Script, and I have a script here that I use, but it's called Variable Importer. You can find it on internet. If you don't find it, just comment below. I'm gonna send you the link, or maybe directly reply to you and send it to you by a link where you can download. So I click on that, click on Choose Data File. I have my list of profession here. I click on OK, and What I like with this tool is that it allows me to automatically rename the file. Okay, for example, here I'm gonna add a custom text. I'm gonna add retired, and I'm gonna use the underscore, and I'm gonna use profession. Okay, and if I test the data set name, my file, when I export it, it's gonna be called retired accountant .png, retired actor, retired actress, etc. So I click on OK, and then I click on import variable. Then here I click on OK again, and I have my variable here. We can see profession, and if I click on this arrow here, you're gonna see that the accountant change actor and so on. But leaving it like that, as you can see, when the shirt will be exported, the word here, as you can see, are not the same size. So I really don't like the way it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my selection tool here. I'm gonna go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Wrap. Okay, and I'm gonna leave everything with 0% because I don't want it to move. I want it to stay at the same size. So I click now on OK. Now, if I click on this on my same arrow, you're gonna see that change, but with the same size as the previous word. And you can see retired barber, banker, baseball player, pet shop, etc. This is really powerful, and I really like that. So what I can do maybe is to center my design. If it's not centered a bit, just so that everything is centered, and I'm pretty happy with what you can see. Center this one a bit, just like that. Okay, so now it's time to export. I click on my action here. I already have an export action, but you can create one by just click on this begin recording. Okay, then you click on those 3 lines here. You click on batch. As you can see, default action is export 300 dpi. It means that it will export at 300 dpi. Dataset name, and very important, I have to choose it. Okay, I click on select the folder, and I click on OK, and that's it. Just like that, automatically, without me touching anything else, all the design are gonna be exported. And if I go to my retired folder, you can see that all my design are uploaded. If I check this one, for example, retired accountant, actor, actress, etc. I have to stay on Illustrator in order for the program to be able to export everything. So I will come back to you when it's done. My list of profession has, I think, around 300 items. So I'm gonna have 300 designs created in a few minutes. The next step is gonna be create a listing and upload them to Mesh by Amazon. In under 10 minutes, I have now all my 300 design. As you can see here, you can see 306 items, and everything is done perfectly. And what is very important, as I told you, all the files are already named according to the profession. For example, if I open this one, it says retired zoologist. If I open it, you're gonna see retired zoologist. And if I take the other one, retired zookeeper, and this one is retired zookeeper. So this is really awesome. Now let's go to the upload part. The tool I'm using to upload is called Flying Upload. I'm using it for more than a year now without any issue, but I highly encourage you to do your due diligence. By the way, you can use the link below in order to have access to it. Once you open it, you enter your information, you click on POD upload, it will open, click on edit. Now what I'm gonna do, I like to work on the Excel template. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go first, if it's your first, you're gonna go help, download Excel files. Once you download your Excel file, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on the Flying Upload MBA. The first step is gonna be to copy the path of the design and paste them into Excel file. So I select the first design, I click on Shift on my keyboard, select the last one. I go back to the first one. This is very important. And while holding Shift, I'm gonna right click and click on Copy as Path. Now I go to my Excel and the column image path, paste it. Doing that, I have all the path design data there. Okay, I'm add that in this. Now, as you can see, and as I already said, the last part of the file name here is my profession. So in order to save time, what I used to do, I'm gonna insert a few columns. And don't worry, you can insert as many columns that you want to help you to be able to gather the information. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm doing it. So please consider to like and subscribe. So I'm gonna copy again the same items. I'm gonna paste them, and what I'm gonna do in this part here, I'm gonna remove part of the name because I want to extract basically the profession, right? So I'm gonna select everything until the retired underscore. I'm gonna select C. I'm gonna select the column B. I'm gonna go to find, replace, and I'm gonna replace. I click on the replace all. Replace everything, and as you can see, I only have my profession, but at the end we still have the 01 PNG. So I'm gonna select it again. Select the column B, go to find and select, replace. I'm gonna replace the dot here, 01.png, click on replace all, and now what still remains is only my professions, okay? But they are in capital letters. So what I'm gonna do in the second column that I added, type proper, and I click on the first profession. Enter. Now I have my profession, and I expand. So I can copy like now this one and paste it here. Okay, now I can even do this. So just like that, I have all my profession here, and I can use them now to create my listing. Okay. So I enter my title. For the title, I'm gonna use the formula in Excel. I type in equal concatenate quotation mark tired. I select my B column where the professions are, and I type in, and I just expand the formula. For description, I'm going to use the same concatenate formula called concatenate, and I'm going to write quotation mark funny retired, and I comma, add a space after retired, and I select the profession again. So funny retired accountant design. Funny mark design for men and women. I want to make things simple here for this video, but I highly encourage you to create Mark 20%, and what you have to do is simply where you want to enter the profession is to enter this comma into, so that the system will have it. Okay, I close here the application. I have other videos on these things and so on, so I highly encourage you to go and watch them. So what I have, when this one is done, I'm gonna just expand the formula and everything is populated. You can see about the tags, you can enter the tags here upload the same way, because with flying upload you can upload to a lot of marketplace. Okay, so I highly encourage you to do it at the same time. Same design that you created for Mesh by Amazon, you can upload them Redbubble, Spreadshirt, 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗘, Society60, Spring, etc. So with one design you have all these marketplace that you can enter. So tag again, you can enter the tags. Type, I want the design to be uploaded on men and women. I'm gonna remove the both. Okay, so I do that and I expand. Color black, it's just for the sample, the brand. I'm gonna use the same here as I use for the content or for the title. The title is simple, but I definitely want to write much more than that. Okay, bullet point, I use the same as my description. Okay, I insert here like that. Now the color I want my design to be uploaded to are this color here. Okay, I'll just select from here, and even the prices are the same. The price US plus and price UK. expand, and I do that like that. Everything else again, you can just expand it. So just like that, here's my file ready to be uploaded to 𝗘𝗫𝗗𝗧 Upload. Now save it. I go back to my 𝗘𝗫𝗗𝗃 Upload, to edit, as I said, import, select my file, and click on open. Here it is. 𝗘𝗫𝗗𝗃 Upload automatically uploaded the Excel, and here is my designs in 𝗘𝗫𝗗𝗃 Upload that are ready. I click on the Amazon. You can see that exactly what I wanted. Standard UK US with the price that I entered. The color are already populated with my brands, my bullet points, and my descriptions. I added here a few more grades in the description because it's contain much. You need to have much more than 5. Okay, so you can definitely, as I said, add different switch, tank top, etc. And I really encourage you to select all of them to do that. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay. Now, what you can do here as well is to check for trademark. I click here on trademark. So retirement party, the trademark. Let's check that. And I go in there. Retirement party is only for 9, which is here books. So it should be okay for our t-shirts. That thing. I'm gonna close that. Just to show you another powerful feature of 𝗘𝗫𝗗𝗃 Upload. Let's say, for example, I select V-neck here and I change the price. I enter it here, 85, and I select the colors, all the colors that I want. Okay, select that. So as you can see here, it's entered on the first one. If I go to the second one, I click on the Amazon. It's not in there. It's only on the accountant that I can see here 4 designs. So what I can do is to select this retired accountant design, click on feature, advanced MBA, and product to all. What it's gonna do is gonna populate all the colors, the feature, etc. that I selected, that I entered in the first design or in the design that I selected, and paste them into all of them. If I go to the anchor again and I click on Amazon, it's for. Like here, Baker 94. So really powerful tool that 𝗘𝗫𝗗𝗃 Upload is. Next step, when you have everything populated, of course, make your due diligence and check every single one of the item in terms of trademarks. Okay, you go in there, you check the trademarks for each one of them. If you find out, for example, here you can see the retirement part is okay. Click on this TM right there, and I'm gonna validate it. Okay, and here, of course, you can and everything like that. So once everything is okay, you have do your due diligence and check your the trademark. Next step is gonna be to upload. To do that, you go back, click on the upload. You click on I agree to assume all responsibility and risk that may be involved using this tool, because it's a mass upload tool. As I said, I'm using it for more than a year and I had no issue so far. So you can check and use it if you want. Okay, it's really depends on you. But this is how you can upload up to 9,000 designs and even more, as my subscriber asked me how I did. So I'm showing you exactly how and what I did. At this stage, click now on start and watch 𝗘𝗫𝗗𝗃 upload the design. Upload the design automatically. We upload the 300 design. What I had to do is to simply go to the beach if I want to go and do other stuff. We will select the design, the photo that I want to upload to. We'll upload the design. Select the fit type, enter the color, enter the price, start fast, even a bit slower if you want to. You will enter again title, description, bullet point, etc. It will post, publish the design. At any point, if you find any issue or you want to stop, you can pause or stop and do your change and come back to it. Here, while it is uploading, I can definitely go and do other stuff if I want. I need to stay on. I need to even have the window here open. I can just leave it like that and my other stuff with the design if I want. This is exactly how I uploaded. I was able to upload 9,000 designs in around 5 months. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe and notification bell for any further video. As I said, if you have any question as well, please comment below. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.